Hello, I'm Kimmy from the Deer Run Library branch, and let's get ready for Let's Experiment. Today we are making an underwater volcano. For this experiment, you need a clear glass or jar, you need vegetable oil, salt, water, and if you'd like, you can add some food coloring. I added some red food coloring for lava. So your first step is to take that water and fill your jar 3/4 of the way, and then you're going to add 1/3 cup vegetable oil to lay on top. Now, due to density, the oil will sit right on top of the water. Now, to make our volcano, we are going to take some salt, and it doesn't take a lot, just pour in just a little and watch as it falls to the ground. There we go. So, when the salt is dumped on the oil, it sinks through the oil into the bottom of the jar. As the salt dissolves in the water, the oil is going to rise back up to where the rest of the oil is. You can watch this movement go back and forth, and it's going to be like a little underwater volcano. That's it for today. Thank you for coming to Let's Experiment.